Hello students, this would be the next class of your farm subject. Today I am going to tell you about, in my last class I have discussed about the call and put value at expiration. Today we are going to discuss about the put call parity. Put call parity is nothing but it's a relationship how we are going to maintain. So basically put call parity means what you are going to do. Put means right to sell, call means right to purchase. So parity means what sort of relationship you're going to maintain between these two contracts as such. So there will be a situation called arbitrage, basically purchasing from the lower markets and selling in the higher market. Suppose you're purchasing from the Begum Bazaar, something like that, and selling in the Jubilee Hills. Okay. So over here, put call parity means gaining the benefit out of a situation where there is a price differentiation. So it could be from the currencies also, it could be from the products also. So basically put call parity means what sort of benefit the parties of the contract is going to get from the for continuing the contract as such. So strategies are hold a call, write a put, and same strike price. Hold a call means if you have a call, suppose you have a product, it is nothing but right to purchase as such. So you're going to purchase from a contract and get into the put contract. That is nothing but so simultaneously entering into two contracts. As I said, arbitrage means purchasing from the lower market and selling in the higher market. So here also two contracts should be there. Suppose you are purchasing, say a call means purchase. So you are going to enter into the contract to purchase from somebody and simultaneously enter into the another contract to sell the same products as such. So this is nothing but same strike price it could be. That is nothing but the price that has been decided to enter into the contract. This would be the one strategy. The another is hold stock, borrow strike price X. Hold stock means stock whatever it is you need to hold it, and borrow the strike price. Strike price is nothing but the price that has been decided as such. So these are the things which you need to note down. Buy call when there are prices are going up, write put, buy call and write put simultaneously, and buy stock and borrow strike as a simultaneous. So this would be the formula for this. Value of put is equal to K by E power minus RT minus S plus the value of a call. So this is nothing but basically a formula. If we ask you value of a call, you need to substitute over here this, shift over here this part. Okay, and this if you're finding out the value of a put, this is how you need to use formula. K is nothing but the strike price, E power RT, R is nothing but interest rate, T is the time to expiration, S is the stop price, and this is how you need to do. K is nothing but the strike price, that S is spot price, K is the strike price, the price that they have entered into to do the product as such. $80, and your value of put has been given as 9 rupees, value of call has been given as 7 rupees. So you need to calculate the arbitrage opportunity over here when the company will be benefited. So as T has been given, T is nothing but your um, time period 6 by 12 as such what has been given. That information I have written over here. So let's write down the formula. Then we are going to do a problem. The formula that is K by E power RT minus S plus the value of call. So your K has been given 80, S has been given 80. So let's substitute over here in the formula. 80 divided by E will be same. R is 10. 10 is nothing but 0.10. If you do 10 by 100, you will get 0.10 into T is nothing but your 6 by 12, as I said, the number of months that has been given divided by the total number of months, minus 80 plus the value of call that has been given. We need to take that first. Okay, so over here it will be 7. So if you calculate these 8 e power 0.10 in the examination, you need to take the table values. Okay, so over here it will be e power. If you can take your scientific calculators also, as sometimes they will be allowing it, so you can take them. 0.05, if you calculate that, minus 80 plus 7, 80 e power 0.05 will come to, here it is divided by 1.0513. If you do in the calculators, you have all of smartphones and all. If you do e power 0.05, you will get this value 1.0513, and here 80 plus 7. So if you calculate this entire part, you will get 3.096. okay, this is nothing but value of put what you got. So over here what we can give the conclusion over here is, the put option value by using put call parity is been found when your it has been given 3.096. the market value of put option is like 9 rupees. So here if the value what we got is 3.096, but the market value that he has given of put is 90 rupees, right? 9. How much he has given? 9 rupees. He has given value of put 9 rupees. So over here what it said, that since the put option is overvalued, here put option is overvalued in the market, so what they can do is they can take the arbitrage opportunity by is to sell the put and sell the share and buy the call. What we are going to do is, here this value is very much in the market, whereas what he has is very less rate. So what he can do is, he can purchase from the market as such. It is overvalued. Market value of put is 9%, which is much bigger than 3.096 as such. So what it even said that arbitrage opportunity to sell the put, sell the share and buy the call option that has been given. Okay, so value it, you need to benefit like this. Now let's do the value of call. How we are going to do this is, similar formula you need to use. Now you need to substitute k by ert. Here 80 divided by e power 0.10 into 0.12. So minus 80 plus 9. What you're going to get over here is, if you do e power 80 divided by what you get is e power, if you multiply the 0.05 here minus 80 plus 9 as such. So 80 by e is, after calculating how much you got, this is 76.096 minus 80 plus 9. Okay, if you calculate this, you will have 5.096. So here the value of put call is 5.096, because the call option value, by compiling the force employing the full call parity, the weakens the market price of a call option with just 7 rupees. what so this is how though things should be done simultaneously, a calculation will be done. This is where you get the value of food 3.096. Now here um, now by taking the value of the others, we are going to calculate the put call parity. So here we got 5 value is much higher now, so he'll substitute it and get him. Okay, so over here what he has done is the call option valuing by employing the put call parity 5.096, whereas the market price of call option is put option is 9. Since the put option and is overvalued in the arbitrage, so what he can do is the market price of a call option was just rupees. So over here this is how we are going to treat the people. So overvalued, the opportunity arbitrage opportunity is also there, but according to thing the will be done. So over here so what I'll do, I'll wind up the class here only. The next problem I'm going to teach in the next class.